really pretty. It's going to be cloudy, breezy today. We are going to have to deal with rain at times, not as much as what our friends in northern Alabama are going to deal with, but we'll have some rain. We're also going to have to deal with the chance of possibly strong storms midweek, specifically Wednesday night into Thursday. If you miss any part of this video, we keep it up all day right here on the Fox 10 News Facebook page, as well as on our YouTube channel and on Twitter in the Fox 10 app. So let's dive in. Let's start talking about the weather, and you can see right here behind me widespread rain and storms along the I-20 corridor, places like Jackson, Mississippi, places like Meridian. All that rain is tracking from the southwest to the northeast, and it's showing up along a stalled front. So the farther north you travel today, the higher the chance you're going to have to find the rain. Huntsville, Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Meridian, Tupelo, Columbus, Starkville, also parts of southeast Arkansas, northern Louisiana, all underneath a flash flood watch. Down here, we're just not going to see as much rain. Our rain threat's going to be pretty scattered today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, and then big opportunities come in Thursday when the stalled front finally tracks its way southward. But just a big mess across the northern half of Alabama and Mississippi along that stalled boundary today and tomorrow. Big flash flooding concerns up there. Look at the temperatures. You got 72 in Mobile, Houston at 75, Dallas at 44, Oklahoma City at 34. That is a well-defined stalled front, and that sucker just isn't going to be moving over the next few days. We're not going to see that thing get into motion until Thursday morning. It'll drop south. That's when our rain chances go up, and that is when we end up getting that cooler, less humid air to work its way in just in time for Valentine's Day. Severe weather risk zone for Wednesday night. We're already in the level 2 zone across the Gulf Coast, and that goes all the way up to parts of Tennessee. That's the standard severe weather risk, where gusty straight line winds are your primary threat, but tornadoes are possible. The level 3 risk zone is where tornadoes are a bit more likely. Alexandria, Louisiana, all the way up to about Tuscaloosa. So we'll be watching things carefully as we get closer to midweek, but that appears to be the time frame when we see the most active weather potential down here on the Gulf Coast, Wednesday night into Thursday morning. What are the temperatures looking like as of 10 a.m.? Man, they are warm. Low 70s across that I-10 corridor, mid to low 60s up along the US 84 corridor. So not feeling like February, and it's going to be another week with above average temperatures until we get that front to pass through, and it's going to be several days until it does. So plan on daytime temps in the 70s and plan on morning temps in the 60s for a while. Low 70s at midday, warm and breezy. We're expecting winds to be out of the south at around 10 to 25 miles per hour this afternoon and this evening. And of course, the later into the day we go, the greater the chance you'll have to find some of that scattered rain. Most of it will be fairly light. We go through the Fox 10 Futurecast, and you can see as we push forward into late this afternoon, here come your scattered showers. And then you look to the west of Thomasville and right around Laurel. That's when you got some strong storm potential. That will be working its way eastward. So those of you in northern Washington, northern Clark County, you could see some heavier rain and a good thunderstorm by late this afternoon and this evening. Everyone else will not. And then as we go forward into early Tuesday, we continue to deal with the possibility of scattered light rain. And that risk just does not go away through daybreak on Tuesday. So 30 to 40% coverage of rain for today and tomorrow locally on the Gulf Coast. Northern Washington, northern Clark County, you have the best chance to get some heavier rain and rumbles of thunder. Widespread rain will start to push its way in by the time we head into your Wednesday night, Thursday, as we mentioned. That's when we're going to have the best chance of rain and storms down here on the Gulf Coast. And then the temperatures get so much cooler. Look for yourself. We drop down into the upper 30s by daybreak Friday, Valentine's Day, and the sky will be sunny on Friday. That's going to be the prettiest day, is actually going to be Valentine's Day. And high temperatures Friday afternoon will be under 60 degrees. Weekend weather not bad. Slim rain chance for Saturday, but higher rain probabilities come in on Sunday. That's also when the temperatures get back to that 70-degree marker. So we get one little cold snap at the end of the week and into the weekend. I know some of you are curious about the long-range temperature projections. Here's a glimpse of those off the GFS, and it shows the little cold snap we'll get at the end of the week. But notice most of February is just going to be warm, with highs in the upper 60s, mid to low 70s, and morning temps in the 50s. Just very warm for February, other than that cold snap coming at the end of the week. And the long-range GFS does hint at the temperatures dropping again toward the end of February, but that's too far out to really know that for certain. Make sure, if you haven't already, you follow my Facebook page, this one right here with the blue check mark. Just head there and hit the follow button. I can take an infinite number of followers. You can also find me on Twitter and Instagram. And remember to just head there and hit the follow button. I'd love to have you on board, and I post weather content on that page 24/7. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Monday. And I hope you have a good week ahead. Jason will be back in the Fox 10 Storm Tracker Center later this afternoon. I'll be back on the morning news tomorrow. I'll see you on social media between now and then. Have a great rest of your day, and enjoy the warmer, more mild air we've got in play. I'll see you back on Fox 10 television first thing tomorrow. Have a wonderful rest of your Monday.